today? Are you looking for something special? Oh, a gift. What's the occasion? Is it for your wife, your girlfriend, your mom? Oh, perfect. Well, do you have anything particular in mind? I love helping. You're not that familiar? Well, this is so fun because why don't we just do just a full explanation. I'll show you several different styles and then you can pick out whatever piece you think would suit her the best. Great. I'm Jade, by the way. Nice to meet you. Alright, well, let's start off right here because I was just folding this bright cherry red baby doll. So baby doll is one of our most traditional styles of lingerie. And what makes it a baby doll is it has the seam under the bust and no definition at the waist, and the fabric falls straight from the bust down into a flowy skirt, or in this case it opens. Very feminine, very comfortable, and it flatters all body types, so that's part of why it's been a classic. This one is completely sheer in a very light stretch lace. It's a little bit rough, feel that? Yeah, it's not the softest lace, but all lace is pretty textured. This comes with a matching panty, and it's just very classic, almost like a vintage style. So you like red, so I have to show you this next piece. This is what we call a teddy. So teddy is a one piece, sometimes structured like a bathing suit, or it has more of a shorts on the bottom, but it's top and bottom attached, called a teddy. This teddy is a deeper red lace. It's a higher quality lace, you can feel it, feel that. A little bit softer. It has a satin ribbon for behind the neck, so this is called a halter neckline, and a very deep V all the way down to the waistline. This waistline really helps accentuate her hips. And then this one's very special because the back is completely open. These straps sit right where a panty line traditionally would sit, and then you get to enjoy all of her rear view. It also has this feature in the panty, and it is a very, very elegant but provocative piece. Beautiful. I personally like the deeper red. Yeah, it's a little more classy. I'm glad you like that one. Okay, so if your girl is like a little more casual, not so much into frills, we have some loungewear styles. I would consider this a romper, not quite a teddy, because it is more of a loungewear fabric. So a really, really soft stretch knit, and feel that. Yeah, very comfy. Black lace detail, black lace racer back, and it has little shorts with the ruffle trim. Super cute, sits like a Brazilian boy short on the bum, very flattering and very comfy, perfect for just lounging around the house and cleaning, and just more casual but still really, really cute. And that comes in 4 different colors, so if you don't like that taupey gray, there's way more options. Okay, now let's divert back into the more true lingerie realm. So we're back with another teddy. This teddy is one of my favorite pieces. It's a very traditional lingerie piece, but it has like this modern little detail between the bust, this little rhinestone heart. And it is completely sheer, but it has little bows that cover her right there. And it is a racer back, so not only does her front look hourglass, but her behind looks hourglass as well. And this is a very, very high cut bikini bottom, and it has that detail on the bottom. Easy access. Adjustable straps. Really soft lace, feel that. Yeah, that's comfy. This looks good on everyone. This is definitely a safe bet if you're not sure what would suit her body type. Okay, I'll put that one aside. That's a definite. Okay, but let's continue because we have much more options to choose from. Okay, this one's new in, so if you like to have pieces that not everyone has, you might like this one. Very simple bikini set style lingerie. Got the little bralette. So what makes a bralette versus a bra is it has way less structure. It has no underwire and no padding, so it's way more comfortable to cuddle up to. And in this case, this one is a very, very soft and shiny satin. Feel that? Yeah, silky. If you have silk sheets, she'll slide right off the bed, so be careful. Has a little bow detail, just like a regular bra on the back. And then it comes with the matching panties with the ruffle trim, which is always such a cute little detail to add on. It's very comfortable, but fully exposed to midsection, so if she's not comfortable with that, she might not like that. Okay. Now, if you're into a very risque elegance, this teddy might suit your tastes. It is completely sheer white mesh with velour flower embellishments. Very French ruffle trim. Again with the deep V down to the waistline, and a completely sheer full bottom high cut panty on the bottom. Very sophisticated, very romantic, and it has these cute little bows at the top as well, and it is a halter back, so it's super adjustable for her unique shape. I love this one. We'll consider it. Okay. Now, this is another teddy, baby pink, very plain, very classic, boy short bottom, waist definition, lace trim, crisscross vest, really flattering, really comfy, very stretchy, completely sheer. So you could either wear a matching bra and panty set underneath, or just this, well, her, or you, no judgment. Cute, very nice, like dusty rose kind of color. Not everyone is into the bold colors. Now, if your girl's a little more wholesome, a little more innocent, then we have this adorable lounge set. It's in a stretch rib cotton, and it has the most adorable little pink bow details on the front, keyhole detail on the thong back, and just a little matching bralette. You can't go wrong. It's so comfortable, it's so stretchy, it's so soft. Feel that. You'd love to cuddle up to it. This one is more in the loungewear realm, but it depends on the audience. Like, I personally find it super cute. Okay. So if we're gonna stay in the innocent styles, this is little negligee, excuse me, is white lace with a white mesh on the back. It is technically a baby doll, but it's a little more form-fitted down to the waistline, so it's almost like a slip, but it is a skirt and has a lace trim and little bow details. Oh, we got it inside out here. This is super flattering, very romantic, very cute, wholesome, pure, very stretchy. Yeah, feel that. The mesh is soft, way softer than that first piece. Okay. Do you have any questions so far? Alright, I got a few more pieces I'll show you, and then I'll tell you about the promotions we have going on and see if you're interested in any pieces. Alright. So this one is a little bit edgier, so it's not for everyone, but you might fancy it. Just gonna make sure I have all the parts. It's a 3-piece set. Make sure she's not in a rush when she's putting this on, because it can be a little bit complicated. So it's completely black and gold. This is the bra. I'm going to hold it upside down so you can see the straps. So it's a dual strap, front clasp bra with a black wire cup, black lace edges, and then What's really unique about this piece is the details on the back. We've got some keyholes, gold metal rings all on the back. There's 3 of them. And then, of course, it comes with the matching panties. These are nice. Very strappy black, high cut, high waisted thong, dual strap, and like that red teddy I showed you, it has completely open at the rear, and one more key ring, which you could use for a multitude of reasons or just for visual detail. And then to finish off the look, this piece comes with the corresponding waist garter belt. So, ring goes out the back or the front, whatever she likes. Clasp if you want to take it off, and then it has built-in dual garter belts. So unlike traditional garters where you would attach a pantyhose, you just weave these rings around the thighs, and they just look super cute. Yeah, it's definitely a little darker, a little edgier, but everyone's unique. Okay, now we also carry an array of corsets. This is in a beautiful fuchsia purple brocade, and it has the lace up back. It has the boning like a traditional corset, and has a matching mini skirt that comes with it. It's very sophisticated. This is one of our more expensive pieces, so if budget is a concern, might steer you towards the other ones. Feel that? Yeah, so it's very form-fitting. It's not the comfiest, but it looks really classic and flattering. So we are having a buy 3 get 1 free promotion. So if you're having trouble picking, you could just get 4 pieces today, and you could save them and not give them to her all at once. So you could give her one tonight and then save the other ones as a surprise. Just make sure you hide them well, or else it could be a big misunderstanding. Yeah, so we do have more, but I'm curious if any of those are just for sure, other than the black one. I already have someone packaging that up for you. Okay, good choice. Oh yeah, I love that. Good choice. Okay, perfect. Okay, well, we're gonna wrap those up for you in beautiful gift wrap. We'll take off the price tags, wrap them individually so they're ready for you to gift to her. And I really want to thank you for coming in. I really appreciate it, and it was a pleasure helping you today. I'm sure she's gonna look